Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed a linear differential equation uh, up to 35 question. Now I am going to start 36th one. How to solve this? So that is in the form of dy by dx is equal to x square plus y. And why send left hand side, students? Dy by dx minus y is equal to x square. Now this is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Then what is p, students? P is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to x squared. Now how to find integrating factor? Formula already we know that e power integration p dx. Here p means minus 1, that is minus dx. Overall we are getting e power minus x is integrating factor. Now, how to write the solution of linear differential equation here? That is y into integrating factor e power minus x, that is equal to integration q into q means x square into integrating factor e power minus x dx. This is. Now, in right hand side, how to solve that? How to solve that? Do one thing. Minus x, take t, minus dx is equal to dt. Now dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, those values substitute here. Integration minus x means t, then x is equal to minus t or not, minus t whole square e power t. Instead of dx, write the minus dt. Now this is overall minus integration e power t into t square dt. Here already we know the formula e power t. Now t square minus t square derivative 2t plus 2t derivative 2 plus c. Shortcut formula already we know that. That is integration e power x into f of x dx. So what is the shortcut formula, students? E power x into f of x minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x minus f triple dash of x plus and so on. This is a formula or not? Already we know very well in definite integration. Now y into e power minus x, that is equal to minus, in place of t substitute minus x, e power minus x whole square, x square, here will come plus 2x plus 2 plus c. Now right hand side, take e power minus x common, and the left hand side e power minus x is there, it is going to cancel. Yes or no? Now this is, after calculation we are getting like this, minus of x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c divided by e power minus x. So those values send left hand side. So we get the answer like this, x square plus 2x plus 2 plus y, that is equal to c into e power x. This is the final solution. But observe the options. Which option is correct? C e power x. I think first option is correct. See the 37th question. If y of t is a solution of 1 plus t into dy by dt minus ty is equal to 1, and y of 0 is equal to minus 1, then y of 1 is equal to. So by using this condition, so we are going to find c value. After that, y of 1. Y of 0 is equal to minus 1 means here already given y of t value is 0 and y value is minus 1. So before going to that, first we want to find the solution. So 1 plus t into dy by dt minus ty, that is equal to 1. So divide on both sides with 1 plus t, dy by dt minus t by 1 plus t into y, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus t. So here, what is the p, students? Minus t by 1 plus t. And what is q? 1 by 1 plus t. P and q are in terms of t. Okay. Now I am going to find integrating factor, that is e power integration p dt. P means minus t by 1 plus t dt. Students, how to find this? Minus t by 1 plus t. How to find? So do one thing. E power integration, add 1, subtract 1. Then calculate, we get the answer. Okay. dt. So here e power integration 1 by 1 plus t minus 1 dt, because minus 1 minus t, take 1 unit and take minus common, split it. It is going to cancel numerator and denominator. Now e power integration 1 by 1 plus t dt means logarithm of 1 plus t minus integration 1 dt mean that is t or not, split e power logarithm of 1 plus t into e power minus t. So e power logarithm of 1 plus t means by calculation we are getting 1 plus t into e power minus t. This is integrating factor. Now write that solution of the linear equation. Solution is, how to write, students? Y integrating factor. What is that? 1 plus t e power minus t, that is equal to integration q. What is q here? 1 by 1 plus t is the q into integrating factor 1 plus t into e power minus t dt. Here observe that 1 plus t is going to cancel. Then what is integration e power minus t dt? Minus e power minus t plus c. Okay. Now here take that in left hand side e power minus t common, and remaining part I am writing here y into 1 plus t e power minus t is going to cancel, minus 1 plus c into e power t will come. Okay. Now already given y of 0 is equal to minus 1. That meaning is t value is 0 and y value is minus 1. Y of 0 is equal to minus 1, meaning is t is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. Substitute here minus 1 into 1 plus 0, that is equal to minus 1 plus c into e power 0. So left hand side, see that minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Now these two is going to cancel. Finally, we are getting c value is 0. Okay. Now y into 1 plus t, that is equal to minus 1. Then what is y, students? Y is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus t. But what they are asking, y of 1. So y of 1 means just in place of t, substitute 1. T is equal to 1, substitute. So we get minus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Students, observe that. Which option is correct? First option is correct.